Hello student, welcome once again. Today we are going to discuss basic of geometry, or we can say practical geometry. Understood? So geometry, what is a geometry? Geometry is a long and rich history. Yes, my dear students, maths is divided into mainly three parts. Yes, very good. Algebra, geometry and arithmetic. Yes, arithmetic simple calculations, algebra that variables wala, and geometry this circle, triangle, angles, whatever things are there, it is the geometry. So term geometry is the English equivalent of the Greek word geometron. Geo means earth and metron means measurement. Student, whenever we are going to measure any things which all includes in geometry. Suppose we can take the measurement of table, measurement of cupboard, measurement of any textbook, small thing, yeah, long thing. These all things we are representing in a geometry. Geometry is not a small topic. It's a vast, too much, unbelievable. But we can start today from the starting, a minimum, like is in any language, alphabet is needed. Geometry also need a small definitions, small rules, and how to use the compass box. Yes, you all are having the compass box. Without compass box, you cannot solve the geometrical problem. And my dear students, this is so easiest part of the maths. Even a slow learner students also can get out of mark from these types of questions. See, just now we defined the word geometry. Geometry is made of two words. One is a geometron and second is a metron. Yes, geo and metron. Geo means earth. Earth means our full earth where we are living. It's measurement from starting over there. And we are saying our earth has this much kilometer long. Yes, very good student. Now see, according to the historians, the geometrical ideas shaped up in ancient time. Student, ancient time means so many years before. This is not started just now 1 year, 2 year, 20 year, 100 years. Maths is or geometry was measured till thousands years. Probably due to the need in art, architecture and measurement. Have you seen the Qutub Minar? Have you seen the Red Fort? Have you seen the Taj Mahal? Yes, these all the monuments were created with the measurement, properly created. Yes, a Taj Mahal have two pillars. This pillar and this pillar, both pillar have the equivalents. You can see part symmetry because of this geometry. This includes occasions when the boundaries of the cultivated lands had to be marked without giving room for complaints. Construction of magnificent palaces, yes, palaces, just now said Red Fort. Temples, yes, so many temples created like that way, each and every, not so many. Lakes, yes, lakes for water. Dams and cities are constructed through this geometry, and that perfect measurement is needed. Art and architecture propped up these ideas. Even today, geometrical ideas are reflected in all form of art. Art means a drawing or any big size of picture or small size of pictures, you can say. Measurements, architectures, buildings, engineering, schools, etc. Cloth designing also, yes. Have a clothes, design full clothes. New designs are coming over now daily. This is also measurement is required for this design. Will repeat for after some time. Isn't it? Yes. See, What is the point? First topic of the geometry is a point. Point is, what is point? Suppose anyone asks you, what is a point? You may be confused how to say the answer. Point means on dot. A point determines a location. These are some models for a point. Suppose here point A, point B, point C. Each and every point dot has a name. If you mark 3 points on a paper, you would be required to distinguish them. Distinguish means separate it. Give the name, like as you have the name, students. For this, they are denoted by a single capital letter like A, B, C, separate letters. These points will be read as point A, point B and point C. Both are separated. Of course, the dots have to be invisibly thin part. A line segment. Hold a piece of paper. Suppose this is a page. You are knowing this is a page. Can you see this page, students? Yes, page. Just now fold it. When you fold it from anywhere, just crease it. This gives the idea of line segment. Have you seen the one line segment, student, here? Straight line. Yes, this is the straight line. It has two endpoints A and B. Suppose two endpoints here, one A and one B. Yes. Take a thin thread, hold it two ends and stretch it without a slack. That means straight two part of the thread. It represents a line segment. The ends held by the hands are the end points of the line segment. Suppose this is a thin, yes, this is a thin thread. Yes, can you see here? Yes, this is my A, this is my B. Okay? Have you seen this one? A and B, a line segment. Yes, very good, student. You understood this one. This is A, this is the B. Have you seen the line segment, student? Yes. Not this way, stretching, straight line. Line segment AB. A line segment corresponds to the shortest distance between 2 points. The line segment joining points A and B is denoted by AB. Okay. Now look at here. Second topic of this one, how to denote it by line segment AB or PQ or XY or XY. AB or BA, both are the meaning is same. Both are the meaning is same. Now line. See, student, there is a difference between line segment and line. Line segment and line. Imagine that the line segment from A to B, that is AB, we are knowing now very well, is extended beyond the A is one direction and B is a beyond direction, means opposite direction, in the other direction without any end, going continuously. See the figure. You now get a model of for a line A and B, both having the line segment. Up to here there is a line segment, but they are moving on the continuous on the given line, passing through A and B, which is called the line only, not line segment. Line segment have a limited area. Yes, my dear student, it's a finite area. Suppose 5 centimeter, that means 5 centimeter only. Here, no 5 centimeter, it is going continuously both the direction. A line is obtained when a line segment like AB is extended on both sides indefinitely, denoted by AB or sometimes by a single line A or line B. Simple way you can say. Line AB also denoted by line BA. Sometimes it is denoted by line L, line M, small letter only. Yes? Not AB. Line L. How to read out this one? Line L. Suppose this is a L. Okay? Not AB. Both are same. Line L or line AB. Single letter, small letters, but in double letter you are using, then capital letter use. Good. Now, look at here. Next topic of the geometry is Parallel lines. Do you know, student, what is parallel line? Have you seen the track of railway? Or if you have the compass box, take out the scale. On the both side of the scale, you have to draw the line. Not a single side, students. Both sides you have to draw the line. Okay? Yes. I was searching, but I cannot get here scale. Scale means both sides you have to draw the line. Like this way, it is here line 1 and line 2. L1 and L2. These are the parallel lines. They are not mixed together. Straight line. Continuously. Not like this way. Ulta pulta. Okay? Straight. Line L and line 2 are parallel. Means the distance between the line from here to here is suppose 5 centimeter. So distance between the line here is also a 5 centimeter. No changes. Continuously. Yes. Very good, student. A railway track. Railway na pata. Barabar. Okay. Now ray. What about the ray? Line. Parallel line finished. Now ray. Ray is now new one. A ray is a portion of line starting at a point and going in one direction endlessly. Have you seen the bow and arrow? Yes, tir kamko. You starting from here and throw it. Or have you seen the gun also? Or have you seen the bowler throw the balls to the batsman? Yes, from the one point it is throwing. It passing through some point and going continuously. After some time it will be stopped. But have you seen the torch? Yes, torch, when you are clicking, the light is coming out from the torch and passing through somewhere and going continuously in direction. Have you seen the sun? Sun also has the rays. Yes, very good, student. You are correct now. Sun rays. Rays are coming from the sun, reach up to the earth. Yes, from one point it is starting. From the sun, rays are started and passing through so many kilometers and comes to the earth. So here you can find a one point is finished, fixed. See, here is the one point A. A is called the initial point, starting point. Yes, and it passing through B, going continuously. That's why arrow is given, passing through B. That's why we can denote this ray by ray AB. In symbolically also I can show you ray AB. How to denote this one? Ray AB. Have you seen this one also? What is this? Line segment, student. Only line segment. AB and both side arrow, student. These three names are there, student. Yes. First is line segment. Very good. This is the line segment. And this is the line. Both side arrow. One side arrow means ray. Yes. Now you have the little confusions. How to remember this one. But when you will do practice, you will remember very easily. Okay? Good. Now the condition is here. When you are saying the ray is there, ray is denoted by ray AB according to above picture, but it cannot be denoted ray BA. Student, it is not the same as BA. Why? See, when you switch on the torch, light is coming out from the torch. Yes. Have you seen any time a light is entering inside the torch? No, never seen. So the starting point is there, initial point is there, which is source of the things. Not going inside, but line segment and line, both are the same one. Suppose this is a pen. Pen has a limited area. Is it, student? Yes, you can see why I keeping my head above the head. Because back side is the blackboard. Yes. This measurement is suppose 5 centimeter. Can I change this way? The measurement of line will be changed. Line segment? No, never. It will never change. Okay? Correct. That's why this is a line segment. It can be denoted like this way, but ray cannot denoted by BA. Now curves. What is curve, student? You maybe hear about this word. Any drawing, straight or not straight, done without lifting the pencil may be called a curve. In this sense, a line is also a curve. A simple curve is one that does not cross itself. A curve is said to be closed if its ends are joined. Otherwise, it is said to be open. Two types of curve, open curve and closed curve. Open curve means both ends are open and closed curve means both ends are joined. See, this is the open curve and this is the closed curve. Okay? See, this is the closed curve and this is the open curve. Straight line or zigzag line, no problem. Now, polygons. What is the polygon, students? Yes, polygon is simple closed curve made of line only, students. Polygon का मतलब है बेटा closed figure. First of all, remember. And it made of line segment only. Some students maybe say, sir, this is the polygon. Sorry, beta, this is not a polygon. This is the polygon. Smallest polygon is triangle. Then after square, rectangle, pentagon, etc. are there. Is it or not? We already studied this about. And how to construct these things, we will learn. Yes, quadrilateral also is there. Circle. Circle is a curve or not? Curve is there. But polygon, yes, it is made up of one angle. Small dots are there. Yes, any two sides with a common end point are adjacent sides. The segments are the sides of the polygon. Segments का मतलब बेटा sides of the polygon. How many sides it has? Suppose triangle है, how many sides it has? 3. A square has 4. Rectangle has 4. A pentagon has, yes, you are right, my dear student. 5 sides are there. Yes, very good. Two sides with a nearby are called the adjacent and opposite means far away. See, in the rectangle we can say line A, B, C, D. Suppose line AB adjacent is, there are two adjacent. This BC and AD or DA, both are same. Adjacent side. Opposite means AB opposite CD. Clear? Problem. Okay. BC opposite, what is the side of BC? इसका सामने वाला side कौन है student? Yes, AD or DA. Opposite and adjacent. Adjacent means nearby. बाजू वाला कौन है? Yes. The meeting point of a pair of sides is called a vertex. Very good, student. You may be heard about this one. There are two rays passing through one point. When they are meeting on particular one point, it is called the vertex. Suppose this is the angle ABC. ABC vertex is A. Why? Two rays are there. Ray AC and ray AB. Two rays are there. Ray, not line segments. Yes, my dear student, you are right. Because this both rays are meet on one point. Here, this is the point. Yes, this is the point. Meeting on point and making the angle. Yes, my dear student, making an angle. Good. Now, angles. What is angle? An angle is made up of two rays starting from a common starting or initial point. There, both rays has to meet on one place. Suppose there is a two rays, AB and AC. Can they are angle? Can we say these are the angles? No, these are not an angle. But suppose there is a ray AB and ray AC meeting on point A here. Common point is A, which forms an angle. An angle leads to 3 dimensions of a region. On the angle, the interior of the angle and the exterior of the angle. Yes, 2 parts. Interior and exterior of the angle. Very good. See, here angle are given ABC. Correct? Yes, it can be shown here like this way, like that way, like that way, anyway, but angle measurement remains the same. See, this is the vertex. Have you seen one? Have you seen this one? Yes. A is the vertex. And sides? Yes, these are the sides or we can say three way these angles we can form BAC, BAC or CAB or only A. There are three ways to say an angle. Correct. Types of angle. Yes, we already studied about this one, but this is my prior duty to revise the things you maybe forgot or you have to revise of this lesson. Angles are classified as acute, right, obtuse and straight angle. According to their measures, angles have measures greater than 0 degree and less or equal to 180 degrees. Yes, classification of angle you are knowing very well. Then after also, those angles are below the 90 degree and more than 0, it's called the acute angle. Yes, student. What about the next one? Right angle. Exact 90 degree angle, it's called the right angle. And third one, obtuse angle. More than 90 degree and less than 180 degree are called the obtuse angle. And what about the 180 degree, students? Yes, it is a straight angle. Two words you have now knowing new one, straight angle. Yes, very good, students. You are knowing this one now very well. Acute, right, obtuse and straight angle. Types of angles we can complete here. Now triangle. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. Three sides are near. And what about the quadrilateral, students? Yes, quadrilateral is nothing but four-sided polygon. Four-sided. It should be named cyclic. जैसे स्टार्ट किया उधर से एक इधर ऐसे नहीं करने का. In any quadrilateral ABCD, AB and DC and AD and BC are pair of the opposites. Yes, my dear students, suppose there is a rectangle ABCD. Just now we discussed ABCD. Cyclic we can use. AB के सामने वाला होगा CD. Clear? और BC के सामने वाला होगा AD. Correct. Side DC, DA and DC. DB and DD are points opposite angle. DA is adjacent of DB and DB. Yes, student. Now types of the triangle. Yes, I forgot to remember this one. Triangles are here. Yes, three types of triangle both the ways according to sides and according to angles. According to side, equilateral triangle. Students, here I am showing to equilateral triangle. All three sides are equal. Yes, student. Here suppose a 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. That's why the sign is putting here. Same sides. Equilateral triangle. Okay. What about this one, student? Right angle triangle. Those angles having the 90 degree. It's a right angle triangle. Very good, student. What about this one, student? Isosceles. Isosceles means two sides are equal. Suppose this is 5, this is 5, then this may be 3. Third side, 3 centimeter. Yes, very good, student. Now look at here. We are moving very fast. Scalene triangle. All three sides are different. This is 3, this is 4, and this is 5 centimeter. All sides are different means scalene triangle. What about acute triangle? All three angles are acute below the 90 degree. And what about obtuse angle triangle? Yes, one angle should be obtuse more than 90 degree. And you are having all 6 kind of triangle on your screen. These are 1, 2 and 3 are according to sides. तीनों साइड इक्वल, इक्वलेटरल दो साइड इक्वल, आइसोसेलेस तीनों साइड अनइक्वल मीन्स दो साइड भी इक्वल नहीं है, ऐसा वाला है तो स्केलेन ट्रायंगल. एक्यूट एंगल तीनों एंगल एक्यूट होना चाहिए. राइट एंगल मीन्स वन एंगल राइट एंगल होना चाहिए. ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल वन एंगल शुड बी ऑब्ट्यूज्ड. ओके, very nice, you are very sharp. Now look about the types of quadrilateral, students. This is new topic for you, but 7th standard, 8th standard, you may have keep your attention here. Trapezium, students, here definition of trapezium given. Trapezium or trapezoid, 4 sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides it has. What is the definition of this one? Okay, parallelogram, 4 sides. Name of the things are here also. Parallelogram, trapezoid or parallelogram. Suppose parallelogram. What is the parallelogram? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pair of opposite side are parallel. Yes, my dear student. One pair of this parallelogram. Second pair is this one also. Both are parallel. Remember this word. Parallel means equal distance. Yes. This made the parallelogram. Okay, rhombus. This also you can find here. But here nearby sides are equal. This side and this side. Which called the parallelogram. Sorry, rhombus. Parallelogram we already completed. A rhombus is a parallelogram with four sides of equal length. All sides are equal but not a square. Square में क्या होता है बेटा? Square means all sides are equal like this only. But angle are right angles. Here no angles are right angles. See. Have you seen? These all angles are not triangle. But sides are equal. Good. We will discuss in detail also and construct also. Construct means prepare ourselves with the help of compass box. What about rectangle? Yes. Wait. Rectangle is nothing. It's a parallelogram with four sides. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite सामने वाली side equal होनी चाहिए. Right angle होनी चाहिए. Yes, square. All sides are equal and 90 degree. These all are called the quadrilaterals. Understood, students? Yes, very good. Some more are there, kite and etc. we can see afterwards. Now, circle. What about a circle? It's a vast topic of the mathematics. You can find thousands of pages regarding the circle. How to define a circle? A circle is the path of a point moving at the same distance from the fixed point. You are having the pair of compass and you are using here point, and then after you are drawing a circle here. So from here point is a center and each and every point on the circles are equal distance, which is make a circle. Yes, student. The fixed point is the center, the fixed distance is the radius. Yes, radius. And the distance around the circle is circumferences. घूम के आते हैं उसको circumferences बोलते हैं. Chord of a circle is a line segment joining any two points on the circle. Circle के ऊपर के दो point. Just now I will show you the picture. Don't worry. We are not finalized this one. Just revise. A diameter is the chord passing through the center, or two radius. Two radius passing through the center. It's called the diameter. Sector means a sector is a region in the interior of a circle enclosed by an arc of one side and a pair of radii on the other two sides. A segment of a circle is a region in the interior of the circle enclosed by an arc and a chord. The diameter of a circle divides it into two semicircles. Yes, we are knowing very well. One half and one down. See, we can see here all the things. A circle is here, students. Good. Passing through here both the end point, diameter, center to, this is the center. Yes, center to here, it's a radius. Chord means only any line. Here is a chord, this is the chord. Our longest chord is the diameter. Yes, see the second picture. You can find out here. Arc means suppose this is the point of here, AB we can see here. It's an arc. Segment, students, this is the segment. Clear? Sector means it has to pass through the center. Don't go and deep. Try to understand what is a sector, arc, radius, center. Okay? Clear. Very good, student. Thank you. If you still now doubt, we will continue in our exercises and you will get the idea of geometry. Okay? Thank you. We will meet in next session. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Be safe. Yes. Once again, in this season, wear the mask, wash your hands regularly, use the sanitizer and stay at home only. If you are coming out, maybe Corona, yes, we are knowing about Corona. COVID-19 virus is roaming in the city. It catch you and it is very difficult to recover. So, social distancing is also compulsory. That's why you are studying from home. Okay, beta? Bye bye. Take care. Once again, I want to say thank you by watching and subscribe the channel also.